What's up guys, I'm Nick D'Ambrosio, the owner of Big Splash Graphics. We're a 3M certified shop and we have many years of experience in the wrap game and in helping people's dream cars come to life. So there's many different benefits to wrapping a car. For example, a lot of people worry about getting wrap on a leased vehicle. For example, right here, this is a reflective spot graphics job. At the end of the lease, it's no problem. We can peel it right off and there's no damage to the car whatsoever. It actually will protect the vehicle. At Big Splash Graphics, we do more than just color changes. We turn your vehicle into art. Give us a call at 732-414-1633 and transform your vehicle today.